Now then, my friends, hey, I have got a treat for you today, because last week I went to Leeds Bradford Airport to film the planes landing, and I can hear one now coming in, Ryanair, and somebody said to me, that's not where you want to go, blimey, you have really got a good view here. Somebody said you need to go to Manchester to a place called the Airport Pub, and it literally is on the runway. They've got some great food, they've got fantastic sights of the planes taking off and landing. You can hear the engines roar. This is going to be fantastic. I am super excited because I love aeroplanes, I love food, and we've got both here as well, and the food looks great. I've done a little bit of research on it. They've got burgers, they've got fish bites, they've got literally everything on there. Great menu, beers as well if you want to come here on a weekend and have a nice day in the sunshine, watch the planes take off and landing. You do have to pay for parking. I shall let you know what it is in a minute after the intro. We're going to go in there, get something to eat, have a look at the planes taking off and landing. I've also got my little app on my phone so I can tell you where they're coming in from or going to. Anyway, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, click the little bell for notifications of when I upload new videos. Now, without further ado, my friends, let's go. Right, so parking, it looks like you can use your credit card, you can use coins by the look of it, and you can also use Ringo, and it's 180 an hour, 180 for 1 hour, 350 for 2 hours, 540 for 3 hours, etc. So, but blimey, there is Lufthansa coming in there. Anyway, you get the idea. I'm going to get in there and get something to eat and look at these planes. Right, my friends, so here we are on the back here looking onto the runway. Now there is two menus apparently. There's the menu which is inside, which is your in-flight menu, and then also there's another menu for outside. I think I'm just going to eat outside today, because what's the point in staying in there when you've got the runway there? So we'll just have a burger or whatever. I think there's a Doner Kebab Burger or something that we might have. Anyway, I'm going to show you the in-flight menu here if you want to stay in. There is a really good window there that you can look out of and still look at the planes landing and taking off. So if it's a rainy day, you might want to eat inside, but today's really nice and I want to listen to the roar of those engines. Anyway, have a look at the in-flight menu. So this is the menu for inside. Right, this is absolutely fantastic. What a fantastic view of the runway. I've got to say, by the way, it does get a bit windy, so you might need to bring yourself a hoodie or something, like one of these McMaster hoodies. There's so much to see, which are available in the merch store down below. Shameful promotion, or is it shameless promotion? I'm not sure. Anyway, I need some food and then we'll look at some more planes. I'm using the app on my phone, which is Flight Radar 24, I think it is, and that'll tell you the planes, where they're coming from, etc., which is really interesting, so you can see a little bit more about the plane. Anyway, I'm going to grab some grub and then look at some more planes. It's great, isn't it? Right, still not ordered anything to eat yet because this is the Airbus A380 that's coming in. This is the big one. Don't miss this one.
Wow, look at the wings on that. All around the clouds. Looks like it's going straight through.
That thing is absolutely huge. It's immense. A double decker, and I've been on one of them to Kuala Lumpur a few years back, and that is an amazing plane, absolutely amazing. I had a look at the first class lounge as well. I think it was at the top, I can't remember offhand, but it was fantastic. I wasn't staying in the first class lounge, I was in economy, but they did let me have a look. Anyway, I'm going to get something to eat now. Right, this is fantastic. So I've ordered a Doner Kebab Burger with fries. I think it comes to £14.80 or something. I'll check in a minute. There's another plane coming in here actually. What's this one? In fact, don't miss it. Here, look. I mean, there's so many. They're literally one after the other. Have a look at this. So that's just coming from Reykjavik. You get one of these buzzers, by the way, when you order outside, bring it back to your table and then just walk up and get your food. My food was £14.40 for the Doner Kebab Burger and the side of fries. Got a bouncy castle here as well for the kids. I'm going to bring James and Harriet and Sarah back this weekend and have a look around because it's absolutely fantastic here. James is going to love it, Harriet will love it. There's bouncy castles, there's play areas, absolutely fantastic. This is just, it's brilliant. I've never seen so many aircraft just come in one after the other. It blows Leeds Bradford away really, but although it is a major airport I guess, so it's fantastic. And that A380 was amazing. It makes the hairs stand up on the back of your neck. It's fantastic. I just love aeroplanes. Wow, this is absolutely fantastic. I'm still waiting for my food. There's another plane coming in. Now, a lad just told me that you can actually see them taking off as well. I says, oh, they're not taking off though, they're all landing. He says it changes throughout the day, so if you do wait around, I'm not sure whether it's to do with wind direction, etc. I've no idea. Maybe you aviation people can tell me in the comment section down below. But apparently it changes, so you can see them taking off and you get a gob full of jet fumes apparently, which is great. And I can't wait. Another one coming in now. What's this one coming in? Let's have a look. This is great. So if you use Flight Radar 24, it'll actually tell you what's going on here. Right, the one that's coming in now is, let's have a look. It's coming in from Knock. It's a Ryanair coming in from Knock Airport, which I've been to on one of my vlogs. Take a look. Right, so I've got my Doner Kebab Burger here. There's another plane coming in as I speak, as I'm just about to eat my burger. It's an EasyJet from Palma de Mallorca to Manchester, obviously. EasyY58UQ, and that's coming in now. Anyway, we shall go in for this burger. So you've got the doner meat on there, and you've got the burger as well. Just wait 1 second. This is absolutely brilliant, absolutely fantastic. Got the fries there as well, very crunchy, a little fluffy on the inner. We've got the doner meat in there, got some spicy sauce as well, not on a brioche bun. Could do with a napkin, but there you go. It's a little dry, but you know what? Fantastic day out. Right, I'll see you guys in a minute. Wow, they literally are one after the other. We've got Austrian Airlines coming in next from Vienna. This burger's not all that great, I have to say. It's a little dry, but you know, I don't think it's all about the food. Maybe the food's a little bit better inside. A little bit messy. I think I'm actually going to resort to eating this with a knife and fork. Burger's a little dry, I have to say, but there you go. Wow, another one coming in. You know, it's not the worst food I've ever had. We should have eaten inside, because when I walked by some of the food inside it looked absolutely superb. But the idea is to sit and watch the planes, I guess. This is a TUI coming in now from Mahon, M-A-H-O-N, Mahon, have I pronounced that right? Wow. absolutely fantastic. You know what? My kids are going to love that. Love this weekend. I can't wait, especially James. I mean, Harriet's been on a plane, James hasn't yet, and James is going to love this. Going to take him on a plane later this year. He loves aeroplanes, but who doesn't? Does the job. Just needs a little bit of airline fumes in it, I think. Airplane fumes. We need some takeoffs. We'll have to come back when they're taking off and get some food from the inside restaurant. Right, my friends, so we've got a plane coming in now from Istanbul. I was just going to do the outro, but you're not going to be able to hear me. Here we go. Turkish Airlines. Wow, it's absolutely crazy. You literally are right on the edge of the runway. This is the best place I've ever been to see planes taking off and landing. Well, I've only seen them landing today. I'm going to have to come back and see them taking off as well. The food itself, it is what it is. For it's outdoor catering that I went to. It wasn't fantastic. I'd give the kebab burger maybe a 5 at most with the fries, but it's a different chefs or people cooking inside. You can't really call them chefs, can you? But different people cooking inside to outside. You've got your outdoor catering and your indoor, and the indoor did look in a different league, I have to say, to the outdoor. So I'll give that a try. But the whole thing of this and the whole idea of it is to sit outside, have a little bit of food, let the kids run around and play, watch the aeroplanes take off and land in. It's just exciting. It's a brilliant day out. It's fantastic. It's not overly expensive. You have got to pay for the car park, but there are a lot more expensive ways to spend a day. It's fantastic. It's brilliant. You can't bring your own food. You do have to eat the food on the premises, obviously, and if you're not driving, you can have a few beers as well. It's absolutely fantastic. I wish that they'd changed the runways so we could see them taking off. Gonna have to come back again. Anyway, that's all from me today. I'm gonna give it a 10 plus for the actual place itself because it is brilliant. Anyway, give us a thumbs up for this video, and if you like the content, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Just wish I was getting on a plane now.